Michelina and I teach Art Fundamentals at Visual Arts Brampton. In today's lesson, you will draw mountains in a realistic style using hatching, cross-hatching, and shading. Mountains are made of rock and have many surfaces or faces that fall in different directions. Hatching, cross-hatching, and shading are good drawing techniques to show the different directions of the rock faces, as well as adding value and form to your drawing. First, I'll demonstrate the different drawing techniques that you will use in this lesson. Hatching. Lines drawn parallel to each other. Cross-hatching. Lines that overlap each other. Shading. A smooth application of graphite or charcoal. Value means lights to darks. For example, a white, mid-tone gray, and black. Form is the shape and volume of objects. Let's get started. Grab your supplies. You will need a sketchbook or a loose sheet of paper, an HB, 2B, and 6B pencil. You can also use charcoal pencils or sticks, an eraser, and a blending stomp if you have one. Let's start drawing. Step 1. With your sketchbook or a loose piece of paper, draw an outline of mountains using your HB pencil. Keep the pressure light to create a light line. This will make it easier to erase lines if needed. Draw different sized mountains that overlap each other. Tall mountains are drawn in the background, while smaller ones are drawn in front. Step 2. Divide each mountain into 3 faces using a wavy line called a ridge line. One for lights, one for midtones, and one for darks. Use your HB pencil. Step 3. Decide which direction the light is coming from. In my drawing, the light is coming from the right and moving across to the left. So that will give me at least 3 zones of values: a light, mid-tone, and dark. Step 4. Start adding the different values to your drawing. Use your 2B pencil for mid-tones, 6B for darks, and HB for lighter areas. Use hatching and cross-hatching to create the different directions of the rock faces. Add more rock faces using a ridge line as needed. I'm going to begin by adding my midtones with my 2B pencil. Now I'm going to move on to the darker values. Step 5. I'm going to add a small amount of shading on the light part of my mountains using my HB pencil. This will give them form and volume. Now I'm going to continue adding more volume and form to my drawing. I'm going to add darker shadows along the ridge lines and on the sides of the mountains. I'm also going to add more shading, cross-hatching, and hatching to my midtones. Periodically, I will step back and look at my drawing at a distance because I want to see it as a whole. You want to get the big picture. Step 7. Use your blending stomp in a few areas to add another layer of volume. Use your eraser to tidy up any lines. Great, you're all done. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please share photos of your finished artwork with us. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.